how to turn off autoplay videos on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off the autoplay videos on your Reddit app. So let's get started. Open up the app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner and then go to the three lines in the top right. Now go to settings and scroll down and under accessibility tap on media and animations. There you'll find autoplay video previews, tap on it and then if it is set to always or only on Wi-Fi then set it to never. And that's it. That's how you turn off autoplay videos on your Reddit app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.